about it or
Nah,
or cried about it
these
like on
feathers,
the
these feathers, but she
weekend. So you had to. It's had to have happened. It's had to have because there's no way. There's no way. What and the bird don't what's it called? Jmoney not rock. No, I'm rocking with the Hispanics. Don't get me wrong. I love the Hispanics, but it's just the fact that a lot of Hispanic people did start talking up in this thing once I joined up in here.
mm-hmm.
So that's I don't know if it's like a thing or
Jmoney summoned them.
Look at him. I need their
I
hands.
don't know. I don't know what that shit is.
Hey, the bird loved me though.
I'm surprised. She's not trying to jump on your head or nothing.
I ain't get a good look
She
at
a
him.
fly in this though.
Yeah. 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 Jmoney, stop stuttering, man. This is just it's a no. I'm not finna stop stuttering, nigga.
Oh
What is
God,
you talking about? I just do it just to do it. I don't got no
it's a
stuttering problem though. I don't know if that's what
boy
y'all thought.
no.
Somebody said add me.
I can merch. They face them, they
J Money
doing they
Hispanic
man.
Club, hell yeah. Follow me to
I
Hispanics,
feel
baby.
like I feel like I feel like Polly the pirate off SpongeBob.
They face them, they doing they man.
Why
Your
you
shit cutting
petting?
out.
Why are you petting it like that?
You gotta be gentle.
Gentle, gentle is like it's like this. Gentle's like this. Just hold the thing up and then grab and just throw it, throw that. I bet you it come right back to your ass.
They talking about who bird you stole. I caught this motherfucker out of a tree.
Unfortunately, J Money bite his job. Man, you got
Bite
hey,
his Johnny. Nah,
hey,
that one got it. I ain't gonna
hey,
lie.
you know that it did get me. I'm not gonna lie, it did get me. It caught me. It caught me off guard. But I got something for you, baby. I got something for you, baby. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Man, I'm finna get off here. I gotta go to this fucking. I gotta go to a Friendsgiving today. Hey, we should do a Friendsgiving. What the fuck?
What is a Friendsgiving?
Yeah, that's what I said too. That's exactly what I said too. But apparently I'm supposed to be bringing something, so I don't know
It's
how that's
like
gonna
no
go.
family, just the homies.
No, it's like yeah, basically it's like a homie thingy or whatever. I don't know how the fuck they
That's
do it.
hard. We gotta
Yeah,
do
I
one of
guess.
those.
Man, y'all not down to do that. Y'all is not down to do that. I'll bring. I don't even know what the fuck I bring, but I'll bring one of them. He said Friendsgiving, hella feminine. I don't know. I just got invited, baby. I just got invited. All them performing in Haltom. What you on it? I'm not in Haltom. J Money ain't got enough money for Wi-Fi. That's what I'm using right now, baby. Damn. But man,
I'm
hey,
finna be 21.
I'm finna be 45,
God, your ass 60.
70 almost. Fuck, it feel like.
45, that's halfway to
It
90.
feel like it feel like I'm like 50. It feel like I've been in the game for 50 years.
Nah, for real.
That's how long it is. I seen the waves done moved
This.
around. Feels like it's forever, forever. See the bird too cool. I ain't gonna lie, the bird too cool for me.
They watching Jay like Cletus.
Shedding all over me, though. So what you doing?
J Money gone and retire. Man, I can't retire, man. I gotta. Man, you know this shit bigger than me, man. Can't retire yet, man. And
That age shit get depressing fast. Nah, for real, because I'm finna be 21 in 2 months. That's halfway to 42.
fucking hell, I feel it. I really do feel that. I feel that. I remember the 21s. I remember it real good. But yeah, man, I'm out of here, man. I'm
Bet.
thugging right now. Thugging right now.
For sure, brother. Hey, Mina Bonita, I hope you know after this live, I'm coming to your DMs with the most meanest messages I've ever sent in my whole fucking entire lifetime. Like, Like I'm really finna like just have a whole group chat. Like, flood your shit. Get in my hand.
They say they gonna eat us. Um, you do this.
Nah, for real. It's 21 halfway to 42. You talking about old dude playing with birds, by the way. Bro, your name is Lil Stylist. Nigga, you get no pussy. Pigs fly if you get pussy. Lil Stylist is insane. And I'm in PJs and Prada and Burberry. What they know about that? I love getting to you with my trolling, Jace. Nah, it's because you're a bitch. That's what pisses me off. All the other trolls, like the little boys and shit, I can just laugh at them, roast them. But you being a bitch is what makes you weird as fuck. Like, I know you, at school, nobody talks to you. Like, I know you are the weird girl in your school. Like, who's that girl? She's to herself, and she's always coming with these scars on her arm, and she's always in her journal writing shit down and drawing. Like, the fuck are you doing? Like, no boyfriend, by the way. Me and a bunny to eat lunch in the bathroom at school over. I'm saying, chat, like, I know we not letting this busted ass bitch talk. Like, we roast her. Tired of this bitch thinking she a part of the team. All the trolls in chat, y'all gonna let her be a part of y'all team? Y'all better tell that bitch to, she's a woman. Tell that bitch to get the fuck on. Tell her to leave the trolling to the boys.
Dre like sing, just like Alicia.
She want to be a part of the trolling team. You so played out. Okay, Liam. His name is Liam. Look at how he's hunched in his PFP. Liam for real. Oh my god. Yeah, I'd rather be played out as long as my name ain't Liam and I'm fucking hunched over in my PFP profile picture.
He want to
Female
fight.
can't troll for shit. On God, everything she done typed has been corny as fuck. Where the OG trolls at? Where the hold on, I'm almost finished.
Big Zayden.
Where the I'm so drunk? Where them trolls at? Where the Jace I'm drunk trolls? Jace, I'm so drunk. You're corny. Mina Bonita. Name me one famous female comedian. Could you? Could you? Can you? Will you? They had to go. It's past their bedtime. True. You know, guys, to watching my comments. I'm saying, fuck is she on? Women. This bird just shit on me. Bird just shit on me. You know the rules. You poop, you scoop.
Let me sit down.
She just pooped on me.
Oh God. With your shitty ass on my dead girl, boy, I'm saying.
You don't want to see her neither. I'll make her fly to you.
Boy, nah, what that shit? I'm getting. I want to see her, but I don't want the shit though.
I'll make her fly to you right now. Okay, look.
She know not to
You poop, you scoop. Go down. We're going down. You poop, you scoop. No, I know. I just double backed. Mina Bonita, off yourself instantaneously, expeditiously.